Today we're going to look at how to onboard a device using the QR code. So this QR code can be used for either the LoRa onboarding or the Ethernet. So if you've connected this device using the surface mount with the antenna, or with the in-wall mount with that RJ45 and Ethernet connection, and it's connected to the cloud, and you want to associate that device with your organization on the dashboard. Here you can see I'm in the demo account, and I'm going to go ahead and go to that plus sign. Again, as I mentioned, that is a for LoRa network. There's a little QR code with the kind of the camera outline there. You can also use this LoRa method for Ethernet. So Wi-Fi uses Bluetooth, LoRa and Ethernet use the QR code. So normally you'd connect this Omni to a surface mount, and you would make sure you change that mode selection switch to 1, 2, or 3 depending on the connectivity option you're looking at, and you're looking for the QR code that looks a little something like this, and that comes right in that box right on top of Omni. If you don't have this card, you can definitely reach out to us, give us the MAC address or the device UUID, and we'll go ahead and look that up for you or attach that device for you. So when I click start, then the camera comes up and put that QR code in there. And there it is right away. It scans it, and it's gonna pre-fill that UUID there. So I'm actually not gonna go this route right now. Another method you can go here is by scanning that QR code with the camera. So you can actually onboard using the web as well if you don't have the business app, but you want to make sure that you log in with an account, either an org manager or a location manager. So I'm going to choose one of these locations, and again it auto pre-fills that device UUID, and I can go back and add more. So looking in the app here, you can see that actually have the device, and it's currently in the box, so it's not going to show up here, but we can attach this device, even a Wi-Fi one, which you'll have to onboard anyway using the Bluetooth, but you can attach it if you previously connected it using like the Awair Home app, for example. And that concludes QR code onboarding in the Awair Business app and on the web.